Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to update payment method on iPhone. So here I will be just tab on my iPhone settings and make sure you will have a strong connection of the internet. And now we will just move in the Apple account. In the top you will see, and you will be just finding the payment and shipping. So I want to just tab on it, so it will be just take some time. Sometimes it will be just ask for your Apple account password, or sometimes it will be just automatically get in. So here you want to just update your payment method. So here is the option. Second, you will see the add payment method. Simply I will be just tab on it. So here you will be just add your a card like Visa card, MasterCard, American Express, or another. So you will be just also by the picture you will be just all automatically fill this all blanks, and you will be just also manually write the number of your card, expiry or CVV code, and you will be just simply tap on it done button. So when you just tap on it done button, so it will be just automatically update payment method on iPhone. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.